Böyle bir musobin, ya usun abanik ko, tapos so short, that's why it was perfect to be used as an arrowhead. But I will like to show you, friends, which by the Aztec women, it was perfect. But it was perfect to be used as a needle. Attention, okay? I have to cut this part, and the rest will be, okay, a perfect needle. Well, your question always is, Rene, you are talking about the perfect needle by the form? No, no way. I'm talking about the perfect needle because this needle is a needle already threaded. Okay, already threaded with natural fibers, okay, from the plant. Needle, thread, paper, soap for washing, but missing something important. Do you remember? Liquid, or the drink.
Okay.
The pulque mezcal is similar to the tequila drink. Okay, but the difference between mezcal and tequila, both are alcoholic drinks, is which mezcal is made from other plant. Attention please. Why? Because I have to show you, friends, which under the outside paper we found the only one difference between the inside and the outside paper. You ready? Okay, so let me show you. A sheet of paper is so complicated, but no way, friends. Let me show you. This is the paper. Look at this.
That's amazing.
It is a paper which was used by my forebears, similar to the Egyptian papyrus I told you. Okay, so look at this. You are going to fill with this paper feels as a plastic. It feels as a plastic. It's very strong, very strong, friends. And we found two sheets. One in.